Okay, so now we're going to go through the process of applying the stencil. In this case, I'm going to be using the Darkhound stencil. This is the first one that was ever produced. Still going strong, very tough, a really workable tool. So I've got a carpet mat here. This was cost me 50p from a scrapyard. But this has been shampooed previously. I use it to test all the stencils before they get shipped out. So what we first off need to do is just get some generic carpet shampoo and gently mist the carpet. You don't want it too wet, but you don't want it too dry. It just makes the actual carpet a better way to work. Use numerous tools, brushes, things like that. I use just a general, this is a shoe cleaning brush, obviously clean, and I'm just going to pull gently down, and this gives a nice even surface on the carpet. Then we're going to place, or firstly we're then going to look at the area that we're going to put the stencil on. Normally I'd be doing it down in the corner, because as the client opens the car and they see the stencil, it has the maximum effect, but for demonstration purposes I'll be doing it in the middle. So we'll look at the area that the carpet stencil is going to cover, then we'll brush the carpet the other way. Now this is most important, that the carpet stencil stays still. If it moves around, it just won't work. So now I'm going to start gently. You don't need to apply any too much pressure, but you're holding this down fairly solidly. So I'm going around with the main brush just to get the overall thing, and then I'll swap to a smaller brush. And you really want to work in, always going downward stroke, because that's the way the carpet will go. Getting right into all the intricacies of the stencil. Again, take a smaller little brush, take your time. Darkhound's nose. Just getting into all the little bits. Okay, and I'll just take the main brush, go over it again. And this is where I always go wrong and always drop it. We are working on a handle that we can apply, which is going to make life easier. Take that stencil off, and there you have the Darkhound logo. Thank you very much.